I'm Lee Merman, and welcome to Real Estate Television. The author Charles Dickens wrote a very poignant story 150 years ago, and it begins, "It was the best of times, it was the worst of times." In 2009, this resonates with a lot of people. However, today we're going to focus on what 2010 will bring us. For many, we consume a lot of information, and when we do so, we get many mixed messages. There are three things that I want us to focus on to be able to figure out what 2010 is going to mean for us when purchasing property. First, government financing. The government has been very active as of late, and they have two tax credits available. One for first-time home buyers for $8,000, and the second for repeat buyers at $6,500. I think this is going to have an impact on the market. Second, value. This is a biggie, and I'll spend an entire episode on this in the future. Suffice it to say that today's home buyer wants to know that they're getting a good value, historically speaking. In our market here in Sarasota, buyers on average are paying prices that were last paid more than 6 years ago. And finally, the availability of financing. The Federal Housing Administration has been very active to this front. Currently, buyers are able to spend as little as 3% in their down payment. And on the other end of the spectrum, people that are borrowing over $1 million, their costs are all-time lows as well. In fact, this past week, a client of mine financed over $1 million and spent just 4 5/8%. 2010 looks to be partly sunny with slow clearing. For Real Estate Television, I'm Lee Merman.